Hello everyone, this is Shiva Reddy from Ekta Prime. I represent the company as a project coordinator. Coming about my company Ekta Prime, it is one of the reputed construction company in Hyderabad. It's been 7 years we are into the industry, and this is almost our 6th project we are doing in Hyderabad market. Cater all the segments. We do commercial projects, we do residential projects. At the same time, we also cater to the hospitality sector. As of now, we are not started anything yet, but we are planning in line. As of now, we are catering only to the Hyderabad segment. Probably we might expand our business into the other states as well. As of now, we have completed most of the projects in the west zone of Hyderabad, that is Gachibowli and Kondapur, and few projects in the other side of the Kukatpalli and Nizampet. As of now, we have one project that is Highland Park. It's a premium high-end boutique houses what we are working on. To be more precise on the project information, that it is a 16-acre layout where we are coming up with a high-end boutique houses of only 54 units. It's a limited housing colony. The plot sizes vary from 600 square yards to 4,000 square yards. So this is completely a customized tailor-made layout where we have initially pooled the customers based on their requirement, their lifestyle and their family requirement. We have divided the plots in such a way that it caters to all segments of people. The unique features actually coming about the amenities, I can say like we have an exclusive clubhouse of a 20,000 square feet built up area in a sprawling 1 acre land, which is again owned by the villa owners, unlike the other promoters how they do.